Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can copy or move sheets between two Excel files. I have this file, its name solution of tutorials. Let me drag it to this window. Another one, its name is book 1. Just drag it to the side. Okay, for example, I want to move this or copy this sheet to this file. Just select the sheet, then right click, select move or copy. Then for which file you want, click this one and select it to file book 1. That's file book 1. Before sheet 1 or before sheet 2. For example, I put it before sheet 1. Create a copy, select it and OK. Yes, that's one way. We have another method. You can simply just select this and drag it. You want put between or before sheet 1. Before release the cursor, just press Ctrl. You see the plus sign and put it. Yes, the same sheet. Move it to another file. Let me delete it again. Okay, we have another method. Just again select it and drag it. If you don't put Ctrl and directly put in between or anywhere, directly the sheet moves to the file you want and it deletes in the original file. If you found this video helpful, please like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.